So this is day 2, and we're still going to keep going at it ourselves. Right now we've sprayed the bleach on the floor, and we didn't brush it like we were supposed to, so we have to like respray it a little bit, brush it, wipe it up, and then run a fan on it for a long time. We're going to put coats all over the floor, cut some new plywood, go right over top. That's what everybody told me to do to begin with, and I thought it sounded like a bad idea, but after looking at what has to happen, this is the idea. So we're going to do this. And I ripped my jacket. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going to finish this up. We're going to tear the vanity out, scrub the floor, paint the floor, lay some floor, and at least get that far. So
yeah, we also got to glue some foam in there and get some panel board, fix that. Literally no point in doing that.
I'm cold and I'm tired of this.
Oh my gosh, look at our shower in here. This is just insane. It's our bathroom. And we had this vanity we were gonna use, but we can't because these RVs are built like so specific around this. But I still think we can make this vanity look pretty. I was just kind of excited about the other one. That alone is just gonna be a pain. So doing all this, it would just be too much, especially if there was no actual water damage down there.
How's it going, chicken?
This is a lot scarier than I thought it was gonna be.
Not scary. Look how pretty the floor is. You paint it white, nobody knows what it looks like underneath.
Yeah, did you tell them what we're gonna be doing?
No, we'll talk about that later. We cheating.
We're kind of, yeah.
We're cheating, but it's got to be done. Should be nice and soft.
Soft?
Solid.
Oh, like it is nice and soft right now.
You want to say anything?
I have jobs to do, so that's cool. I'm actually helpful, maybe.
You're the most helpful woman I ever met, baby.
Thank you. I'm glad we got an RV and didn't like renovate a bus now, because it just would have been too much.
No, it'd have been fine. We would have still had to rent a place while we were working on the bus.
I'm more excited about decorating and making this place pretty.
Well, we get the floor fixed. You do whatever you want whenever I'm not here, okay?
All right.
Yeah, turn it off. Nothing else? You good?
Like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeehaw!
Alright, it's kind of loud because of the fan going, but this is what we have so far. Let's just put, you know, spray bleach on it, scrub the mold away, put kills all over it, which will kill the molds more, stop it from spreading, and then we're going to put, I think we got a 1/4 of an inch piece of plywood that we're going to put here. Then we're going to glue some laminate down, and we are also going to re-insulate the wall, and we got some panel board to go up there. Then we're going to put the shower back in and find some kind of furniture, you know, to put there. And of course we're going to put trim around, seal everything with glue and silicone and all that stuff, since it's the bathroom, you know. So yeah, that's where we're at. We're gonna go cut the wood now.
Oh, careful. You gotta be careful, honey. You gotta be careful waking up and coming out here. Stairs is too steep. Hey everybody, it's Dustin. My head hurts. I don't like it. We got a lot left to do, but we are making progress. We did get the mold, cool stuff. It's not kills, it's some other stuff. It's like a mold formula. And we painted it with that. Now we're cutting the floor out. We've already got the foam board cut out and put back in there. It should be a quick install, like just glue everything up and then pray. That's what's really gonna happen. And then there's like some minor things, like we destroyed the vanity. We gotta fix that. We have some spare boards to do that. But yeah, hopefully this will all come together in the next couple hours. We got pizza on the way. It's gonna be wonderful. My head hurts so good. I need some water.
This is my dad's tiny house, by the way. They built it a few years ago. It's just a shed, and this is what they've done to it. So it's really cool. It's pretty awesome. People can just take these sheds and turn it into a house. So.
How many Tylenol you take? I only use ibuprofen.
Oh, I don't know. Take like 2 or 3.
I need that camera to see what these words say.
Here, I'll look for you.
No, let's figure it out.
And Mochi loves it here. Right, Mochi?
That unexpected intruder. Get out of here.
Come on, buddy.
Get out of here, little goat. Stop it.
Buddy. Hey.
Get out of here. You're not supposed to be here. You know that?
Get.
He's being bad. That's a bad goat.
Come on.
He don't listen.
Stubborn. You see him pushing back?
This is causing all sorts of mayhem. He's done been on everything. He's eating our trash.
Buddy.
Oh, she's just eating with trash. Stop eating that trash. So he's ready to fight.
It's a game.
It is a game to him. Everything's a game for a goat. I'm gonna stop recording for animal abuse comes up. Hi everybody. Today is day 3. And now we're going to work on it again. I'm so excited. Let's go. Still very cold. Ugh. So, what do you remember we did yesterday?
We glued the foam on the wall. And we cut the wood. And we kind of jacked up some mats. And now we have to fix the mats.
Okay, we'll cut the strip. So right now we just need to go glue stuff and then we gotta wait for it to dry. Which is actually pretty sweet. Like, I think we cut everything except the panel board yesterday.
Yeah.
So, I think we're almost done. Oh, and then we gotta go get things from the store.
Should be nice and warm in there. I was hoping it would catch on fire. Why is it cold? The furnace is, oh, maybe because everything's blocking the furnaces.
Expand it.
You dropped your green tea in here. This is a mess. Alright, so this is what we've done. Should have brought the heater in here. Oh, you need to push that in.
What?
That. Oh, that's the. Never mind. Okay.
Feels like it's on there.
Except for that part. There's
What are you talking about?
Oh, or is that the... That is the wall. I forgot the wall is just flexible. Cool. Alright, so what do we do? Just get the box cutter and slice them?
You turn the heater on.
Yeah, I did. Oh, we're out of propane. That must be what it is. Wow. Okay. Alright, well, we'll check in later. I guess we're going to cut off some of this grate stuff and then clean up this foam and dirt. We're going to glue this wood down. Yeah, or are we going to cut the panel board first? Well, we could probably glue it down and then cut the panel board while it's drying. And then we can glue the panel board up.
Hey everybody. So we probably missed a few parts. We just thought about it. So if anything looks different, it's because we did more stuff while we didn't film. Right now we have the new layer of flooring down. We cut all that out. It's just about perfect. Things are happening. I need more room.
We did the wall.
We did the wall. The wall is up. We still have to trim stuff, so it's going to look a little rough right now. Right now we're working on the laminate. And I've never cut and glued laminate before, so this is the first time I heard that it was, this is the easiest way. Is cut it close to size, and then line it up, cut it, and we'll see how that goes. Yeah, that's all I got to say, I think.
Okay. Oh.
I bet y'all are wondering what happened since that last time we recorded.
Let's just do a rundown of what we've done.
Okay. So, we made the mistake of trying to renovate our trailer. And so far, it doesn't look that bad.
It's turning out pretty good. Got the shower back in, but...
Learned a lot of things. Now I'm putting down this threshold, and I think it's turning out to look pretty nice, you know, or transition, excuse me.
It does look nice.
Okay, and I got to get this one in there.
Here's our new floor.
Got the new floor. We were going to glue it. We decided not to because they say you don't have to really glue small spaces like that. We're going to put trim around the bottom of it. Make it look finished. The worst thing about doing it was probably shower. I don't like the shower. I'm still upset with the way the shower turned out. Don't look at it. But it should be fine. We'll find out if anything happens. It was a great experience to spend time with my wife and do this wonderful project. But yeah, we tore out the wall, we tore out the shower, we tore out everything. We lost our storage space in there. We gotta go shopping. A lot of firsts in this. Laura, how do you feel?
I look like a mess. You see how bad my hair looks. Okay. It was really overwhelming a lot of the times. What's this on the lens? It was really overwhelming. Yeah, that's all I can really say, I guess. I learned a lot. I did not know the walls
were that thin.
Were that thin, or like, yeah, I don't know. That's what I was most surprised about, I think, is the walls.
Or just there's nothing there.
Yeah, it's just panel board, foam, plywood, and then I guess a fiberglass sticker. Like,
it looks like a sticker.
Like, we thought this thing was like made out of metal on the outside. It's not. It's plywood.
Or at least something a little bit more rigid. Like it looks like the thinnest sheet of Luan, like with epoxy on it, and like a fiberglass sticker. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, and we also learned a lot about where things are in a bathroom. So, I mean, we got a new vanity, and we can't use it because our water heater's in here. There's a bunch of weird pipes and stuff, and basically the vanity was like built around everything that's in here, which is good, I guess. You know, they have to work, you know, in small spaces and stuff, so it's good. But I was looking forward to that vanity.
Yeah. Put the door back up.
Yeah, door's back up, and we're drying out the moisture that was down there. But really, I was just really shocked about the wall, because I'm glad we took out the wall, because we really figured out where the leak was coming from. This whole time we thought it was like coming from the top and trickling down and out those cable holes right there. Because in my mind, it's just, you know, there's a bunch of wiring in there and all kinds of stuff. No, that goes directly out there, about 3 inches.
So, 3 inches away, you're outside.
So I was like, so all this mess, we knew it was coming from there, and all we had to do was just look. I don't know. It's really disappointing.
It's disappointing that we had somebody say they're going to come out here and look at it and fix it, and that's their job. They
put like a bead of caulking on the roof, and then tilted the RV, and then wanted $100 for that.
No, you're not gonna get it.
Yeah, so.
But it's okay now. The water should not be coming in anymore. This may be like, we learned enough that I know I don't want to do it again for a while.
Yeah.
Like even just this one bathroom.
And the floor is pretty good now.
It could have been better, but at the same time, like, I thought about going 3/4 of an inch, and everybody recommended it. But when I started looking at the shower, like, the shower goes a lot closer to the ceiling than I thought.
Yeah.
Like, we barely had enough room to put that sucker back in.
Yeah, it just wouldn't have worked.
Yeah, it'd been like up too far right into a metal piece. So I don't even know what to do with that, so.
So this is good for what it is right now. It should last us a few years, and then next time we just get the crowbar, rip out, and just put another... Next time, honestly, because of the shower, we'll have to just go with another 1/4 inch. But maybe we can take out all the wood.
If we ever do it again, like, we're taking out that piece, we're going to take out this piece, and we're going to go straight down to the metal ribs and styrofoam down there, and we're laying 3/4 board, and that's the end of that story. I'm putting treated 3/4 board in this bad boy. It's never going to rot again. Like, thinking.
So, I think this has actually been really overwhelming, you guys. And that's why we didn't video every single aspect, because there was just way too much we needed to get done in like a short amount of time. So I think we should just end this here. Maybe
upload it.
Yeah, we're gonna upload it, yeah, eventually. What do we have left to do?
We have to... we gotta silicone everything in the shower. Put all that back together. Hook all the water back up. That's the easy part. And we gotta put the cabinet doors back on there. We need to make some repairs to the vanity because we tore it apart thinking we were gonna have brand new vanity. But if you ever wondered why your vanity is the shape it is, it accommodates everything on the back of your trailer. Like the water heater's right there. The sink has to have room. The stinking water hose on the back of the place, it's in that vanity. And you got some kind of venting pipe in the bottom there. I'm not sure what that's actually called, but all that is used. Everything is, if you can't put stuff in it, it's being used.
Yeah. So, and we're also going to have to build a box right there. You mentioned trim and everything.
Yeah, we'll run the trim over the next week. Honestly, I want to stay away from this place.
I'm not going to video anymore, so I just want to let you guys know the rest of what we're going to be doing. And I'll probably post a video, just like a short video, with everything done. And you can also probably... I'll be posting pictures of everything on Instagram, so you can follow us at...
Living to be happy.
Living to be happy. That's the number 2. The letter B. Happy. Living to be happy. So you can follow us there for extra special features of this renovation.
I'm so excited for it to be over. We're kind of close right now. This is the best it's looked in 4 days.
Yeah.
We had to go to work yesterday and
get out and
all this craziness.
So I'm happy with it. I'm gonna do some painting. Fix Mochi's hole up. That sounds gross.
Mochi's hole.
Alright, well, thank you guys for sticking around.
Stay tuned for Mochi. Stay tuned for Mochi. She's had a great life in this big old house she's staying in. She's got ladders. She's got strings. She's got it made.
Yeah.
She's coming home soon.
Yep.
Peace.